Oh, Frida.
No, I'll try right there.
I think it's okay.
Yeah.
Brand new rubber. Harvesting some rainbow Swiss chard for a smoothie. First one of the year. Oh, they're so cute. I want them. But we're gonna have to wait. So we just picked up our hatching eggs. Let's check this out. Look at those colors. So we got 2 dozen just in case. We're gonna put one under the Nana bird and one is gonna go in an incubator. I got ninja'd. Oh my god, there's Pop-Tarts. What? This is awesome. Okay, we're home now. I don't know if you can see it, but there's blue, sort of bluish green, green, white, reddish brown, and a really dark brown. Oh, got 2 packs. So we're gonna put 1 dozen underneath our Nana bird. She's about 8.5 pounds, so she should be able to sit on 12 eggs. Well, here we go. Oh, he shouldn't sound too heavy. Golf ball. Oh, well, that means that she's broody, which is what we want. Is it warm? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, give me some more. I want like 3 at a time.
Got him?
Yeah. Okay, give me 3 more.
I don't have as big as hands as you. Is it working? She's still staying on the nest?
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
He's looking at him.
Really? She didn't get up?
No, not yet.
Oh my goodness. Are you gonna sit on those for us, Mama? Me? I got you some fresh water and some more food. Okay. There you go. You take a seat, okay, my mama? Good girl. Just trying to get comfy now. Just moving them all underneath her. She's a pretty big hen. She's probably about 8.5 pounds, so 12 eggs should be just enough under her. Okay. So I'm gonna take that second dozen eggs and I'm gonna trade it to a friend that has a spare incubator.
I don't want to open it because I left the lid off yesterday for four freaking hours.
Oh my god.
They were all cold. So last night I took a light and they're all moving.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh good.
So these are 5 days.
Okay. These are ducks?
Those are the 25th. These were supposed to be today, but because they were cold for a day, they slow down, I think. So.
But they're still alive?
They're still alive. They're moving around. And so I got a reindeer thermometer. I couldn't buy one. Luckily, this came with, I got about 6 incubators.
Okay.
So I could not buy a thermometer. My sister's a nurse. She could not find a thermometer for her son because they were buying them up because of the virus.
I know. Dang, really?
So these I'm going to keep because they're hard to read. But I got you one out there you can borrow.
Okay.
The trick is to plug it in for 24 hours before you put the eggs in. Because it's supposed to be set from the factory.
Okay.
So If you had a fan, it's supposed to be 99.5.
Okay.
But this is a still air, so it could be 101, 102.
Okay. What do you think of the colors? Are they nice?
Oh yeah, that'd be good.
Look at those ones, hey?
That's
Look how dark those
copper
are.
Morans.
Yeah, I'm excited about those ones. And these ones too, like the really green.
Depends which rooster, better, but they're still nice.
True. But like if one of these roosters went over one of those hens, you get like an olive, right? That's what I'm hoping for. That would be awesome.
I googled it. It's once a week you put a cup of water
okay.
in those trays and they run around.
Yeah.
I might as well spray them once I got it open.
There you go.
I'm the mother duck here.
Yeah. You're a good mama.
So here we go. They sent me some free
So
batteries.
that's the little hole I gotta patch then.
I washed this all out with Dove or whatever.
Okay.
I washed it, dried it. So here you put this on top of the eggs.
Okay.
And watch.
So I can see it through the window.
See the window?
Yeah.
Because you have to adjust it.
Okay.
So like 99.5. No. They say you could go up to 102.
So keep it just under the 100 line, basically.
But the manual actually said 99.5. So
Okay.
So 100 would be perfect.
Okay.
So if you could, right? Looks like this electrical tape is working to hold that in.
Okay.
You could even put another piece of tape because that window, I washed the window too.
Okay.
Nothing's wrong. We put a new one of these on. I have it in the house. I know where it is.
Okay.
But this, I may have never used it. I don't know. Oh,
But you plugged it in and it warmed up?
oh yeah, I plugged it in. This got real warm.
Okay. Okay.
I think you're going to be with chickens for a while, so you might as well just keep this. And you want to trade for the eggs or something?
Sure. Or, yeah, however you want to do. I can always get you another dozen eggs, too, if you want.
Maybe. I wouldn't mind another dozen.
Because I mean, if I have an incubator and she sits, I might have to get another dozen myself anyways. Hi, sweet thing. Alright, so we got this incubator here, and as you can see, it's got a bit of a hole in it. So what I'm going to try and do is patch the hole with a piece of styrofoam and some HVAC foil tape that I have, and it should help. So we just have to get the temperature up to 99.5 degrees ish and see if it'll hold that temperature for 24 hours. So I'm gonna try and fix it up and see if it works. I think this will work. Oh, it just needs to hold in the warmth. Was there. You can see the edge of it's missing right here. Yeah, that side of the hole. We fix everything with foil tape. Alright, sweet. I think this will work. I think so. So our light's on, it's warming up. It's at 96-ish it looks like. So it has to hold 99.5 to 99.9. Yep, another Craigslist find. Some free metal pipes. we're hoping to be able to fashion some sort of a greenhouse